Today I will discuss Chapter 9, Subtopic 9.1 Straight Lines. My text 9.1a, page 230, question 1 and 2. I will use textbook. 今天我会讲的是 Chapter 9，就是 Straight Lines， 就是直线。老师会用课本来讲解。In Form 2, you have learned linear function and nonlinear functions. 在 Form 2的时候，你有学 linear function 跟 nonlinear function. So for the linear function is a straight line. 在 linear function 里面呢，它是一条直线来的。And nonlinear function involve quadratic function, cubic function, and then reciprocal function. 在不是直线的 function 里面，就是 nonlinear function， 一共有3个不一样的 function. So we learn straight line. Of course, we will learn linear function. 我们学直线嘛，第9课，那一定是用 linear function. In general equation of straight line, 在 equation the straight line is equal y equal to mx plus c. 这一个就是直线的equation. The m is symbolized gradient and the c is y-intercept. So we recall back, we flashback what you have learned in lower form. So m is equal to, the gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And another equation is negative. Usually I will use a bracket, and negative y-intercept divided by x-intercept. So we have two formula to find the gradient. 所以我们在找 gradient 就是斜线嘛，我们一共会有2个 formula， 所以你要记得这个其实是你学过的。So the question 1 in your textbook, determine the gradient and y-intercept of the following straight line. So I will compare with y equal to mx plus c. So I want to find the gradient. Gradient is m, y-intercept is c. 所以我要找 m 跟 c. So I compare with the y equal to mx plus c. So I know that the m is equal to 3 and the c is equal to 5. So the gradient is equal to 3 and the y-intercept is 5. So 1e, I compare with the y equal to mx plus c also. Remember the equation, the y coefficient must be 1. So what I need to do? So I need to divide the equation with 3 so that here is 3. Here the coefficient of y is 1. 在 y 等于 mx 加 c 的这个 equation 里面，如果我们要 compare m 跟 c 的话，那么我们 m 前面这里一定要 e， 所以呢，这个 equation 呢，我就把它整个 equation 除上，这样子我这里的 y 就是会等于 e。So I will get y equal to negative 1 over 3x plus 6. So I compare again with y equal to mx plus c. So what is the m here? So m is equal to negative 1 over 3 and the c is equal to 6. So m is gradient, c is my y-intercept. Now we go to question 2. Sorry, this is question 2. Now we go to question 2. State the value of k and of h for each straight line gradient. Straight line graph, I think I can't see it. Okay, so we see that find the value of k and h. So this is y equal to k. So the line is the pink color one. So this is the y. So what is the k? K is equal to the 4. And then y equal to h. This is the line for y equal to h. So what is the value for the h? So h is equal to negative 2. Same, we look at question B. X equal to k. So the line is the blue color line. So what is the x value? Is negative 3. So the answer for the k is negative 3. Now we see x equal to h. So what is the value for this line? The x value, so it's equal to 4. That means the h is equal to 4. Okay, besides we answer the question, I need to give you some information. 我要给你一些知道，就是 the gradient for this x parallel graph gradient for 这样子的 y equal to 什么，就是 parallel with the x axis 的话，那么我们的 gradient 就是等于0。And then when parallel with the y, the gradient is undefined. And we don't have y-intercept because it is always parallel with the y. So it won't touch the y. 它一直是 parallel 跟 y 嘛，所以它不会碰到我们的 y-axis。然后呢 how about the y-intercept for this one? For example, y equal to 4. So the intercept of the y is 4. Y equal to -2. So the y-intercept is -2. So please answer the question for your workbook. This is page 150 to 151, question 1 until 4.